Before we even start this video, I want to take the time to say rest in peace, Kobe. You know, he was someone that has had a big impact in my life, a big impact in how I work, and overall, someone that's really instilled hard work ethics, someone who actually got me out of slumps just by some of his wisdom. Sadly, I never got to meet him, but you know, that he's really someone that touched my heart, and I didn't even know him. So it's just awesome, man. Rest in peace, Kobe. Condolences goes out to all of his family. Rest in peace, Gigi, as well. But before we even start this video, I just want to say that, and the topic in this video really relates to, you know, what Kobe stood by. So it's just right that we mention this before we even start this video. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a topic that it's been in my mind lately, and it's all about sacrifice. You know, why it is so important for all of us to sacrifice to actually achieve our goals. Why you need to kind of sacrifice in life, a lot of things in life, to succeed, to achieve your goals, to make something happen. You know, the actually true importance of sacrifice. I didn't realize it until now, but you know, I wanted to share some of the things that I've learned, some of the wisdoms that I've learned from my mentors, and I just hope you guys learn something and take something. But not only that, I really hope you internalize some of the things I will say in this video and really apply it to your life and move on to your life with this newfound wisdom. Like I said, rest in peace, Kobe. This is someone that instilled this kind of mindset in me, so I'm always grateful for that. But yeah, let's get started with the video. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Parikchhit. I make dope videos like this, whether it be marketing, mindset, life, money, business. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'm really consistent with YouTube in 2020, and all the videos I drop are just gonna be gems. So I'm really excited for you guys to go ahead and watch these videos. So to start talking about sacrifice, let's talk about, you know, one of these quotes that really hit me when I first heard it. And the quote was, if you do not sacrifice for your goals become the sacrifice. When I first heard that quote, it blew my mind, because I'm like, damn, like that is so true, right? If you do not sacrifice a lot of things that is needed for you to sacrifice, that is needed for you to achieve your goals. So if you do not sacrifice fun time, if you do not sacrifice drugs, if you do not sacrifice bullshitting your time away, social media, Netflix, if you do not sacrifice any of that, your goals will become the sacrifice. You sacrificed your goals for these cheap little thrills, okay? And that really hit me, and that really made me understand the true power of sacrifice. That really made me understand how important sacrifice actually is when it comes to getting your goals. And the thing is, if you have small goals, this probably doesn't apply to you, and you shouldn't even be watching this video. I don't like associating myself with people that do not want the best out of themselves, right? So if you are someone that's not already thinking big, and you think that, hey, listen, I can achieve my goals while smoking weed, while watching Netflix all day, while fucking around on social media, while like not doing the things I need to do, don't watch this video. I don't even want to fuck with you, right? But the thing is, for those who have big goals, for those who actually want to do something with their life, for those who actually take life seriously, this is for you. And you got to understand that you truly need to sacrifice a lot of things in life for you to achieve your big goals. And the thing is, me even saying this, the norm in society does not agree with me. The norm in society thinks, hey bro, don't, you know, enjoy your time, you only live once. Hey yo, do what you love. At the end of the day, you only live one life. Like, all these people, like, they don't really understand the true power of sacrifice, or they are so short term. You know, when it comes to sacrifice, you really gotta sacrifice cheap thrills, short term emotions, or short term dopamine hits to actually look at what's long term. So let me give you guys a quick example. I have big goals. I want to, you know, by this year, I want to be owning 5 properties. It was 3, but I made it 5 now. I already own 1 property. I already bought 1 property at the age of 19, right? So I want to own 5 properties by the end of the year. For me to achieve that goal, I can't be going out fucking around, going out to the clubs every night. I can't be going out being on my social media, talking to girls, talking to, like, you know, random people. I can't be going around just watching Netflix and movies all day. I actually have to sacrifice those fun things. And to a point, I might even have to sacrifice, you know, time with my family. I might have to sacrifice time with my friends. I might have to sacrifice daily activities that I enjoy, you know? If we're talking about just doing the things that you enjoy and doing the things that you love, I would love to just get, you know, just sit in this room, play on my PS4 and do nothing. But am I really going to achieve my goals doing that, right? Like I said, if I don't sacrifice those things, I won't have those 5 properties. I sacrificed 5 properties for me to play the PS4, for me to fuck around on Netflix, fuck around on social media. So really understand that sacrifice is so important if you really want to achieve something great in life. There is a reason I don't have a PS4 in my house anymore. There's a reason I delete my social media apps in the morning. There's a reason I canceled my Disney Plus. I have my Netflix for my cousins in Nepal, but I canceled a lot of different bullshit entertainment because as much as I enjoy it, as much as I enjoy, you know, sitting down doing nothing, chilling with my friends, watching movies, going to play games, all that, as much as I enjoy that, in the long run, I will regret it. Like, think about it. If I'm playing PS4, I'm only enjoying that in the present moment. I'm not gonna enjoy it in the long term and say, oh my god, you know, thank god I played the PS4, this is what got me these properties, this is what got me to reach these goals. It's not that. You gotta really look at life as, you know, like, if you want to achieve a lot of goals in life, there's some certain things that you have to sacrifice, and for you already know what you need to sacrifice to achieve your goals. From now on, take the time and make a list of things you're doing right now that you know if you just don't do, and if you sacrifice and actually do the work, like the things you will actually achieve, right? A quick example, if it comes to fitness, if I want to get jacked and if I want to get ripped, I have to sacrifice junk foods, I have to sacrifice sugar, I have to literally sacrifice fun time and go to the gym and work out. But the thing is, if I do not sacrifice those things, then I sacrifice my dream body, right? Really understand that for you to achieve something great in life, you have to sacrifice a lot of things. And I think it was Sam Ovens that said that it's like a fire, you know, the more things you put in the fire, the more things you sacrifice and the more things you burn, the bigger the flame gets. And when it comes to just like you achieving your results, the greater the flame is, or the greater the chances of you actually achieving it if you actually sacrifice the right things. Also, don't take this the wrong way. I'm not saying don't watch a movie. I'm not saying don't go on social media. I'm just saying don't make, like, sacrifice those things. Be willing to sacrifice a lot of fun times, a lot of, like, let me tell you guys something. I moved into this place to sacrifice time with my family, sacrifice a lot of time with my friends, and just sacrifice a lot of fun, guys, because I understand how big my goals are and I understand the impact I want in this world. And because of that, I can't be out here fucking around. I can't be out here going and, you know, playing games all day, hanging out with my friends all day, trying to get high with them, do this, do that. For me to achieve my goals, sacrifice is so important. When it comes to just a movie analogy, when Thanos wanted to get the Soul Stone, he had to sacrifice his most loved one, which was his daughter, right? I forgot her name, but it's the green bitch, right? So he had to sacrifice that green bitch to get the Soul Stone. And that's how you gotta look at life, man. You gotta sacrifice some of the things you love right now that give you this quick dopamine hits for you to really achieve those long-term goals and for you to really achieve some greatness in the long run. At the end of the day, guys, if you do not want to sacrifice those things, it's cool. You won't get your goals. And for you that think that, oh, you know what? I will still achieve my goals without sacrificing, whether it be weed, whether it be Netflix, whether it be social media, whether it be hoes and all that. Like, understand that you probably still can achieve your goals. However, you could probably achieve it quicker and easier if you did sacrifice those things, right? If you could actually focus on those things. So I just really wanted to make this video, take the time to let you guys know the importance of actually sacrificing time, the importance of actually going ahead and, you know, thinking about the long term instead of the short term. The thing you guys gotta understand is that you gotta sacrifice a lot of things in the short term for you to actually achieve something greater in the long term. But in the long term, it will all make sense. And if you guys can take one thing away from this video, and it's this quote, it's, if you do not sacrifice for your goals become your sacrifice. And at the end of the day, I don't know how important your goal is to you, but my goals are very important to me, so I'm not willing to sacrifice my long-term goals for some short-term cheap thrills, okay? That's another thing as well. Why are you sacrificing some awesome goals, right, to enjoy cheap thrills that everybody can enjoy? So let me give you an example. If you worked really hard, you could probably, let's just say your goal is to get a penthouse, right? So my goal by next year is to get a penthouse in downtown. If I do not sacrifice for those things, like, I'm literally enjoying cheap thrills. Like right now, I live a pretty good life, but if I was just like watching Netflix, playing games, fucking around, smoking weed, whatever, that's cheap thrills and cheap fun that everybody can enjoy, right? I'm literally sacrificing my goals for cheap fun that everybody can enjoy. Like, it just doesn't make sense. So I want you to go ahead and think about like things that only the upper echelon can enjoy, and then start working towards that and start working on goals that are big like that, okay? So anyways, towards the end of the video, I started just saying some weird stuff, but you guys get my point when it comes to sacrifice. You need to sacrifice in order to achieve your goals faster or more effectively. And without sacrifice in this world, like Thanos, you can't get your soul stone and you can't take over the world. So be like Thanos, sacrifice some of the biggest things that are really holding you back and achieve your goals. I love you guys all, man. I've been loving making these videos. I am consistent. I'm back on YouTube. Let's conquer 2020, guys. Please share this video. Please like this video. Please comment. Please subscribe. I love y'all. See you guys in the next video.